Welcome back to the shop. Oh, let me fix that. Welcome back to the shop. Boy, do we got a banger for you today. So on the bench, I got this old Mizuno. It looks to be about a 12 and a half. Look at this thing. This thing has definitely been on the field. It's got some dry rot in there, and we always talk about conditioning the inside, where your hand goes, all that salt goes and destroys the leather. So we won't be able to fix that. We'll condition it. We'll see if we can bring it back to life. The Velcro strap is ripped out, so we need to reattach that to the glove. We're going to do a full relace. We're going to clean them up. We're going to condition them. Oh yeah, and almost forgot. The pinky strap is busted, so this one looks like it's going as well. So we got two brand new soft side thumb and pinky straps to go either way. So we got a work cut out for it. So this glove, realistically, it's a nice glove. The gentleman has I think he said a $400 and some brand new glove that he likes, but this has sentimental value to him. He's played a lot with this thing. So yeah, the message would be, you know, if you got a glove and you really like it, take care of it. You know, it's literally 15 bucks for a high-end conditioner that's going to save you from a trip to the mechanic. You know, just like your car. You don't change the oil in your car and do the necessary maintenance, it's going to break down on you. And this one just happened to break down. So let's get to the video. Okay, through. I think it's looking good already. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Okay. What's left? I think we're doing really good here. All right, getting that pocket back in shape. We got the lace locks in place, both sides. Soft side thumb loop and pinky loop are both installed. We corrected the Velcro strap that was busted off here. We just used our leather punch, made 2 more holes in it and attached it, I think, here and here. So this is functioning again. Yay! Velcro strap is connected. It's not ripping off the end. The inside is still a little bit abused. There's only so much I can do. And I think this is going to be a problem. I don't know how we're going to fix that. Maybe put some holes in there and run the Hobby Lobby and get some real fine lace. Other than that, heel's done, inners are done, pinky's done, thumb is done, heel's closed, things are done. All we gotta do is the web, and I think it'll take some time. I'm gonna try and reform this glove. It means a lot to this guy. Again, I talked to him texted him this morning, and he really likes this glove. I don't blame him. You know, I got old Mizuno. It's about 10 years old. I got a couple nice high-end gloves that, man, I love my Mizuno. Can't put it down. These are good gloves. Okay, I'm gonna take a break for a minute. We'll be right back. Okay, pretty much everything's done. All we gotta do is the crown. That's pretty simple, here to here. Loop it, and then we're gonna go back, and then we'll go back, condition the glove, and we're gonna really try and shape this pocket for him. Again, this is, we want to get a dual hinge for him. Clean him up. It's already clean, I should say. Yeah, I think we'll be fine. Coming a long way. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, crown is done. Fingers, the whole glove has been relaced. Still don't know how I'm going to fix this piece here. Again, I got some ideas. Thumb loops are in. Velcro is attached. Yeah, I think we're in good shape. All right, we're going to clean up here, and then we're going to condition. We're going to try and shape this guy, and this will be back to the customer today. How awesome is that? Okay, got ahead of myself. I actually came up with a solution. I just came around here and retied the top. This is completely dry rotted out. I don't know how long it's going to stay, but looks like a temporary fix, maybe permanent. We'll see how long it'll last. Okay, so let's go ahead and condition this guy, and I think we'll do a little mallet time, and we should be good to go. Thanks for sticking around to the very end. Let's take a look at this one. So as you've seen, this one was pretty bad when we brought her in. It's got a lot of conditioner on right now, so I'm gonna let it dry up a little bit, let the conditioner soak in, but I don't want to say it was abused. It was loved, for sure, but definitely needed some work. So here we go. Lots of conditioner on it. All new laces. Pinky slides are in there. Pinky, thumb, replace both of those. So they're called soft side slides. We also put lace locks, both sides, right there and there. Fixed. The Velcro was busted out of here, so we re-stitched it down here. So this whole Velcro strap was hanging loose, so we popped a couple holes in there with the leather punch, attached them down there. Again, this was another one. This came undone, so again, it's kind of dry rotted, so all we could do was stitch around there and tie it to the top. That should hold them. And yeah, all new laces. So I think we did just a little bit of melt, not much, but I mean a little bit of melt work. It looked like it was already formed the way he likes it, so I think we're gonna call this one a success. And obviously, just conditioned like crazy with Maven glove balm. So appreciate you sticking around to the very end. Any questions, comments, drop them below. Visit our website, mavenglovebalm.com. There's a contact form there. You can submit a question if you want to get a hold of me. I'm pretty responsive. I'll get back to you within 24 hours or so. That's it for now. We'll see you later.